Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 73. So to draw this exercise, first we need to design the sketches. Yeah, and we need to remember we need to draw only minimum number of sketches because if we reduce the numbers of sketches to draw, we can reduce the time to create this exercise, right? So here we will draw this sketch first, right? And we will create the basic shape of this exercise, and after that we will create this cutout. And before create this cutout, we need one more sketch, this one, right? So we'll draw first this sketch and apply the extruded cut, and we get the one cut over here. And after that we'll use the circular pattern to create the ball uh, cuts out, right? So let's go on SolidWorks and create this exercise. And now select the top plane and go to sketch and select the circle and draw 4 circles. Now select smart dimension. Diameter of this circle is 50. Diameter of this circle is 38. And diameter of this circle is 31. And diameter of this circle is 29. And apply OK. Now select a line and draw line from this point. And this line is horizontal like that. And draw like that. And just draw one inclined line. Again select the line and like that, right? Now select smart dimension. This line is 64 plus 9. So okay, it is now, sorry, 65 plus 9. Okay, 65 plus 9. And select this fillet and select this point, and the radius is 9 mm. Apply OK. And now select your 3-point arc and draw one arc like that. Select this arc and select this arc and make equal. Now select this arc and select this vertical line and make tangent. Now select smart dimension, select this line and select this line. It is 37.5 and this one is 31. Apply OK. Now select smart dimension, give length to this inclined line and it is 25. Now select center line and draw center line like that, one vertical and one horizontal. Now select smart dimension, select this line and select this line, and this is 5 degrees only, right? Select this line and select this line, it is 35 degrees. Select this point and select this line, it is 64. Select this line and this line, which is 43.5. Now select trim entities and trim this. Okay, yeah. Now select smart dimension and select this, which is 37.5, right? Now select line again and draw lines. Okay, yeah, draw lines from here to here. This line and this line are parallel to each other, and distance between these two lines is 4 mm, right? Now select again line and draw one line like that. Now select smart dimension, angle between this two line is 20 degrees, and distance between these two line is 4 mm. And here select center line, draw center line between these 2 points. Just delete this constraint which is horizontal, right? Now select this line and make collinear. Now again select the line and draw lines. Draw line from here to here, and now draw lines like that. Again select the line and draw lines like that. Select this line and select this line, make parallel, select smart dimension. Distance between these two lines is 4 mm, and this distance is also 4 mm, and this distance is okay. Not this angle, just delete this one. Delete. Okay. Okay, it is inclined, it is not horizontal, right? It's look like horizontal, but it is not. So yeah, now it is horizontal, and this is 4. Right now select this circle and draw circle, and here also. Now select smart dimension. Diameter of this circle is 9 mm. Select this circle and make equal. Now select here center point arc and draw arc like that. And like that. Select this arc, and this one, and make equal. Now select this point, and this point, and make vertical. Right now select line and draw one horizontal line like that. Now one vertical and again one horizontal. Now select smart dimension. This distance is 4 mm. And now our sketch is ready to extrude. So select extruded boss, and here select the contour. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Here select blind, okay, and reverse the direction, which is 12.5, and apply OK. And now again select mid boss and select the same sketch. Select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Here select offset, which is 8.5. Reverse the offset, and here select up to surface. So this one is the surface, and apply OK. Now select extrude boss again and select this sketch. Select this one and this one. Here select blind, and which is 33.5. Reverse the direction and apply OK. Now again select now select extrude cut. Okay, select this sketch and select this contour, which is 5. Apply OK. Now select extrude boss again and select this sketch. Select this one. Okay, just clear this. Select this one, this one, this one, and this one. And here select offset, which is 8.5, right? And reverse the direction, and here select up to surface, and this is the surface. Apply OK. Now our basic shape is ready. Now we need to create cut out, right? So select the front plane and go to sketch. Select this line command and draw one line like that, and like that. Okay, so yeah, now select smart dimension. This is 8 and this one is 15 and this distance is 20 and apply OK. Go to features and select extrude cut. Here select mid plane which is 4, apply OK. Now here select circular pattern and here select this features, give the direction, this is the direction and number of instances is 18, apply OK. Now our exercise is completed. Now we apply appearance to it. So here select this one and select body and apply this one. Okay, and this is our isometric view. If you like this exercise, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.